Hello and welcome to Undefined Geometry. In this video we shall be carrying on with the beginner's course, this time looking at two similar commands, radius or fillet and chamfer. For this we need a solid to add the radius to. We can use the shaft solid from the last video. Adding a fillet to a part is simple. All you need is a sharp edge. First pick the edge fillet icon from the menu bar, add the size of fillet you require, then pick the edge on the part. You can pick multiple edges at the same time. Hit OK and the fillet is created. The same process is used for the chamfer. First pick the chamfer icon from the menu bar, add the size of chamfer you require, then pick the edge on the part. Thanks for watching this far. If you are enjoying the videos, please like and subscribe.